My people, Ehi Agbebor matter don't reach me now. In fact, it just land from America. For now, we don't know this woman. She be interior designer. All those people where they design house. You understand? Una fit call her Sha. And she be entrepreneur. They see this woman get money. Hey, all of una waiting so una get money. Una money they trek. The same money where this woman gets. And now, after she marry her former husband, they break up, many drama, many issues. My people, now she don't get one latest bobo. I don't show so many of una know MC what's they call her? Oluwo, I don't know. My people. Now the guy where she they date now, and the guy they loaded. When they to say person, in fact, this guy carry. My people now, people don't they talk say any man with this woman they date now because of his money. Even this latest one where she date with now, they say she no date with this man because of any love. Say now the man money she the target, and people don't they talk now because many people don't come outside say we know her before she be runs gay, she be this one. Some people even come outside say na hard work. My people, now I say I beg, make I no just confuse myself. Make her bring and come for una be my people. Now I say I beg make una watch this girl because I don't tire my people. And now hey, this one will happen now. Now banger. The woman don't come outside by herself. Come they threaten everybody. All of una where they call her say they sleep around, they do this, they do so. Now she don't come outside by herself. Say all of una we no say una support them. Make una hear all of una we no say una give her 100 naira, 50 naira, any amount. Make una come outside, open una mouth. Say she dey wait. She even dey beat chest. She dey beat chest. Say she ready to do anything to prove say nobody support am to build one house. Because where una dey? All of una gather, come outside now. Come. My people know be smart, you know. But my question now be say, how you expect make people come outside? People will get wives. How they go come outside, come raise hand, say, I support you with this one. How? You know they possible now. My people, I be they lie. You know they possible. And see, I never see where Ronsge come outside, come to say, yes, I be Ronsge. I not talk anything, I just they explain. You understand? I never see her before. And now my people, the girl don't come outside. Even her friend even come outside. Everybody, and they should say she even they pay people. Say, I beg, come outside, do this video. Her friend don't come outside, defend them. This one don't come outside, defend. I beg, make you not be saying that for my mouth when I go hear all this gra. Make we listen to the woman voice by herself. Make we watch the video.
No man. I'm beating my full chest. No man again spent one dime, 100 naira in my house. If you did and you're a man and you don't speak up, God will punish you. If you as a man have ever bankrolled Ehi and you don't talk, as a matter of fact, I'm betting $100,000 if you're a man and you claim that you've ever bankrolled me in any way, or you spent 1 naira in my business, you spent 1 naira building my house. I built my house myself. That's hard work, darlings.
My people. So as una hear this one now, una believe her. No, I believe in hard work. No get me wrong, oh. I believe when woman they do things by herself. No get me wrong. But this one, it is somehow. Even now, where this her boyfriend carry and go see king. You know say this guy get connection. You know people. You know be today. You know people. Now so he say okay, make we go visit my friend. He na king of Iwo. You understand? He name na King Oluwo. Now so they go. Okay, after they visit, they drink, they jolly everything. When this guy come, they go back with his girlfriend now. Okay, king come. You understand? Normal level, they be friends. King come, they hug and say okay, oh, bye bye, oh. This girl sit down inside car, my people. Now so the king face the boyfriend, and the boyfriend they back the girl for the car. He they hug him friend, but this hand can't stretch. Can't they give the girl something? No, relax. e dey give the girl something, and now everybody see am something wey dey very clear. This girl come outside come dey talk say e no give her anything o, say she don already get the man number long time. Abeg my people, make e no be say Madam Aproko too dey talk. Make una help me see this thing. Maybe I don blind. You understand? Biko, watch this part. Abeg, maybe I blind. No, make we just assume say I blind. You understand? Una blind too. No, now una blind. Something wey dey very obvious. Una no see the hand as e stretch. So that one, no, wetin they try tell us now, say they shake am. If you know say you no dey hide anything, how come this king no shake you or hug you or say bye bye in front of your boyfriend? Why you wait? Wetin be so important? Why no? Na question I dey ask because I need know. Una don't now they don't even screenshot their chat. Say they show public. Say no, they no get anything. Una don't plan the thing very well. Una plan am. After una do execute una plan, una come screenshot. No, una think say we be small children. No be today they born us, oh. No be today they born us. Normal level. Everybody they refer to king as KBAC. No, una no read am for the chat. This woman they call king. Call am bros. My people see, e get one thing where they talk. Na house wey collapse. Na in goat they enter. No dey surprise say hey, this woman don see king nyash. Because na so e dey happen. No, for people to chat like this, bros. No, you dey call na your father pikin. You dey call am bros. Che! Nothing wey we no go see for Africa, my people. So now, no, I know they go against the fact say she be hardworking, she be this, she be that. I know they argue. But the one way you come outside, when they talk like say we foolish. They hug her from back, they pass hand. So why you know shake her? Okay, person where you know since how many years ago? Now so she talk, oh, she says she already know the king since. Okay, as you know and since, the thing where he pass from behind. Why you no text you? Since we already get una numbers, you understand? My people, I be waiting to talk. If me and you already be friends, and I need some, and I get something very important to tell you privately or secretly, why I no go chat you? Wetin be the need even for crowd? The king no even mind say, okay, cameras dey, people dey. And una think say I foolish. My people, abeg, na the matter be this oh. Na the matter be this oh, Mrs. Ehi, Mr. MC, Mr. King, all of una. Wetin this woman no even know be say this Mr. MC, that man na coded on his own. And na dey show say this man even know wetin dey happen now. He know, but he go just, my baby, nothing. I believe you, nothing. He go shock you. People like this fear them. Oh. Fear men where they smile, where they do like say nothing. My sister, by the time they leave you on the street, you go know. Relax. My people are beg. Wait till you not see for that video. Wait till you not think. Wait till they happen. No, I need know. So drop her for the comment section because now I know it can't be like say I know the see road again. So Biko, drop her for the comment section. Tell me what you see. It drop something. I be no drop something. Share this video. Make everybody know what they happen for this house. And for Nigeria, you understand? And don't forget subscribe, click on that notification bell. If not, you go they miss things. Oh, things not they hot. You understand? Yes, I love you guys. Don't forget that. Never, never, never. See you later.